Hey everyone, this is my Module 3 project. First off, I just wanted to say I didn't make it to 10 photos. I'm a little stressed out about that, but I've been doing this for the past 2 days and I just couldn't get to 10, so I have 6 photos. Hopefully the work I show will be enough, but anywho, so this is my one photo I did. It just is like a downtown LA in the 50s, and you see some architecture around here and so on and so forth. And when we take this off, you can see what I did. So I feel like this made the photo look a little bit more vibrant and just a little bit more clear and colorful than the original. So to do that, I used images, adjustments, and then I messed with the brightness and the contrast, the vibrance, and the hue and saturation for that photo. And I also just cut out like that mailbox and that little person standing over there as well. Okay, so this photo is another one of architecture in LA from the 1950s. If I take off the masks, you can see what I did here. I got rid of all those power lines using the spot healing brush tool. Um, excuse me. And then I lightened the picture. I darkened the picture a little bit, just so it looked a little bit more natural. And I got rid of some of the flaws around here, the people that were standing here, using the brush tool as well. But yeah, I also messed with the contrast a little bit on this as well. Okay, so this is my Hollywood sign. This was the before. As you can see, all the little I got rid of the brackets. I got rid of this little stuff up here, the antennas and such. Doing that, I used once again, the healing brush tool, and I also used the rectangle tool a few times, and then the cloning tool a couple times to get that all taken care of. I didn't mess with the contrast or anything like that, or any of the other image stuff, because I felt like it looked good already. So, oh, you know what? I take it back. I did lighten it up a little bit. I could see there in the sky. But yeah, that's my Hollywood sign. Okay, so this one took me so much time. There were so many little tiny details that I had to get. Um, but yeah, so here's my before. All the power lines. You can see they all go through back there, all the way to the front. I mean, when you zoom in, there's so much detail right there that I had to get rid of. And then you can see after, there's my after product, where I kind of touched everything up. I touched the lighting up a little bit as well. And there's no power lines. And I really like this because it looks like a very clear photo of the bridge, which I think is super cool. And then there was some graffiti over here that I also got rid of. You can kind of see it underneath there. There's some graffiti somewhere else, but I don't remember. But anyways, but yeah, so that's my finished product for that one. And I did not do anything with the contrast and so forth because I thought it already looked pretty good. Okay, this one was my favorite, honestly. There's my before. As you can see, the light is like really bright right here. There's a few little objects there. Even that just looks a little off color. So what I did is I actually did something that we learned in a prior module, and I selected the sky, so that way I could get this blue, and I filled it in with like a blue Pantone color, to kind of make it look, like the sky, right? I also got rid of like all of like the lawn chairs over here and that kind of stuff to kind of clear it up and make it look like a more of a, just more clear and more pretty, I guess. I think it looks prettier that way. And I did mess with the coloring a little bit on this. I used hold on, I'm looking here. I used the vibrance and the hue and saturation were the big ones, and I did do a little bit with the color balance as well. But yeah, and then to get these things gone, I used the spot healing brush tool. One more quick look. Unfinished, finished. Thought that was pretty cool. Anyways, hey, and this is my Randy's Donuts. This is a little donut stand in downtown LA. I thought it was kind of some fun architecture. So that's my unfinished product. As you can see, I removed these guys, these little bearings here using the spot heel brush. I used the cloning tool to kind of make this look like a sky over here, get rid of all those cars and stuff. I got rid of the trash cans, just thought they looked kind of tacky. There was some random graffiti over here. It's hard to see, but like at the bottom, there's some random graffiti. I got rid of the sign. And then I got rid of the piping too along the building just to make it look a little cleaner. And I touched up the roadway, and I even added in like a path on this too, which I thought was kind of fun. It's like a double path. I thought that was cool. But anyways, that's my finished product for that one.